Hello students, this is Archana here. Today's topic is vital statistics. So, before starting with the practical, let us see the meaning of vital statistics. So, vital statistics are the numerical records, analysis and interpretation of numerical data of vital events occurring in human population, isn't it? So, vital statistics are it is a numerical record. So, using this numerical records or numerical data, what they are doing? They analyze and interpret. Okay, so analysis and interpretation of numerical data of vital events. Vital events means live events like birth, death, marriage, sickness, etc. So, data of vital events occurring in human population. So, this is the vital statistics. So, there is a definition by B. Benjamin for this vital statistics. What it says is, vital statistics are conventionally numerical records. You all know that, right? Of marriage, births, deaths and sickness by which the health and growth of the community may be studied. So using all these things, marriage, death, birth, sickness, everything, we can study a community. Okay, so that is the definition of vital statistics. Now let us see the different methods of obtaining vital statistics. Here you can see two methods, registration method and census enumeration method. So under registration method, there will be already a record data maintained by the government authorities. Government authorities like gram panchayats, municipalities, corporation offices, everything. They are maintaining the registration of births, deaths, everything in their government offices. And it is a continuous process and it is a mandatory process or a compulsory process. They must register all those things. And everyone, everywhere, if any birth takes place, first we should register at registration office of government authorities. So, this is one source through which we can obtain the vital statistics. So, the second method of obtaining vital statistics is census. You all know that census takes place for every 10 years, isn't it? So, under census, we'll get so many things to know, isn't it? Age, sex, marital status, educational status, occupation, religion, everything, each and every minute things are recorded in census. So, this census method also provides information for this vital statistics. But there is one drawback when it comes to census enumeration method. What is that? As you all know, census takes place for every 10 years. Isn't it? So, the gap between every 10 years is called intercensal years. So, how can we get the data for the intercensal periods or intercensal years? So, here it goes purely on the assumption that growth of population is constant. That means, during the year of census, if there are 10,000 births, they are assuming that next year also there are only 10,000 births. It may vary. It may go to 9,000 or it may go to 11,000 also. But what they are assuming that is that it is constant. So this is a one drawback when it comes to census enumeration method. So these are the two methods of obtaining vital statistics. So now what are the different uses of vital statistics? Where and all it is used? First one is planning and evaluation of economic and social development of a country. This is general meaning. Next, used for administration purpose. Administration we have already seen, isn't it? How it goes, how the administration work goes, and even the registration process, how it takes place in registration offices, government authorities. It was there in the previous topic, isn't it? And when it comes to medical research also, this is used. And the last one is helpful for the government to access the impact of family welfare programs. Say for example, government has come up with one family welfare program. Okay, so to see the impact of this family welfare program, they can use this vital statistics, and using that they can come to conclusion whether the family welfare program is successful one or it is a failure project. Okay, so these are the different uses of vital statistics. The next topic when it comes to vital statistics is fertility. So based on the fertility, we are preparing the statistics. Okay, so let's see what is fertility. Fertility is nothing but the birth occurring to women of childbearing age. It is a biological one, and this childbearing age is also called as germination period. That means the women of age between 15 and 49. It is told that the women that falls under the age, and those falls under the age of 15 and in between 15 and 49, they have the capacity of reproduction. So that is fertility here. So what are the different methods or measures for fertility? So the first one is crude birth rate, second one is general birth rate, third one is age specific birth rate, and the fourth one is total fertility rates. So I hope you all got the meaning of fertility, and these are the measures of fertility. So the first one now, crude birth rate, isn't it? So now our practical part starts. Okay, so the crude birth rate. What is crude birth rate now? Crude birth rate can be calculated using the formula. This number of live births in a year divided by average population in a year multiplied by 1000. In simple, CRB is equal to B by P into 1000. So now here is a problem. Okay, crude birth rate, we already got the problem formula, number of live births divided by average population in a particular year into 1000, isn't it? So now let's see example 1. The average population of a town in a year was 1,50,000. In the year, 6,000 live births occurred. Find CBR. Here is a CBR formula. First, what we require? Number of live births. Number of live births, it's given here, live births. And next one is average population. Average population in that particular year is 1,50,000 multiplied by 1000. So CBR is equal to V by P into 1000. That is 6,000 divided by 1,50,000 into 1000. That is, the answer will be 40. So this 40 is said as, or it is referred as 40 childbirth CBR for every 1000 individuals. Now let us see the second example. So now in this, from the following data calculate CBR, crude birth rate, and these are the data. Age group is given, age group 0 to 14, male female number is given, and also the birth rate is given, or the birth is given. So 0 to 14, 46,000 and 43,000, and 15 to 24, it is 34,000 and 35,000 and 6,846. Okay, and in the next one, 25 to 39, 39,000, 38,000 and 3,893. 40 to 49, 30,000, 28,000, 674. 50 to 79, 27,000 and 26,000, 80 and above 3,000 and 4,000. So now the solution. So what is our formula now to calculate the crude birth rate? Formula is CBR is equal to number of live births in a year divided by average population in a year into 1000, isn't it? So here what we have to do is, first number of live births, we just have to total the births. Okay, and we get 8,413. Okay, and the next one, number of average population. So what is average population? Our average population means the total of male and female. Okay, so male total is 1,79,000, female total is 1,74,000, and this is average population, and this is live birth, isn't it? Yeah. So now CBR is equal to B by P into 1000, isn't it? So B is 8,413 divided by P is 1,79,000 plus 174,000 multiplied by 1000. So 8,413 divided by 3,53,000, that is 179 plus 174, it is 353 into 1000, and the total and the final figure will be 23.83. So this is our CBR. CBR. Okay, so first in this is a question, solution is here. First you have to total the birth, that is 8,413. Next, average population in a year means, average population means male and female, we are adding it and we arrived at 3,53,000. When 8,413 is divided by 3,53,000 and multiplied by 1000, we are at the figure 23.83. Our first calculation was crude birth rate, isn't it? Now the second one is general fertility rate. General fertility rate, and the formula is number of live births a year. It is same, number of live births a year, here also number of live births a year, divided by total number of women of childbearing age in a particular or in a year. Okay, and multiplied by 1000. And total number of women of childbearing age, we already know that childbearing age is 15 to 49, isn't it? So that is 15 to 49, and GFR, in short, B divided by P into 1000. Okay, to start with the problem on GFR. Now here is a problem. You can read this, right? Age, male, female, birth, everything is given, and now here is our formula, and first we have to calculate the total. Here the formula is number of live births a year divided by total number of women, isn't it? So only female we are considering. Male is of no use now for us. Okay, we need only female and birth rate, live births. So you leave this column, age, female and birth, and also female of the age 0 to 14 and 50 and above is not required, because childbearing age is 15 to 49, isn't it? So 15 to 49 we have taken only this much data. Okay, and as usual, total B is equal to 1868 divided by 36,320 into 1000. Okay, and the amount will be 51.43. So this is our GFR. Okay, so here one small change in the formula is, here we are considering only the women of childbearing age. All others are left. I hope you understood this. So now the next one is age specific fertility rate, isn't it? And this is the third one. So the formula for calculating ASFR, that is age specific fertility rate, is ASFR is equal to number of live births in a specific age group divided by total number of women in that specific age group into 1000. Okay, it is similar to the previous one, but here it is mentioned as specific age group. Okay, specific. That means, let's solve one problem. So calculate ASFR, age specific fertility rate. Okay, so problem is given here. It is nothing to worry. 50 into 49 is given, isn't it? So now, based on this formula, okay, let's see how to calculate. First, you have to draw one format like this. That is, age female births the same, but here it is mentioned as specific, isn't it? So specific means for every class interval we are calculating separately. Okay, so here in the first case, ASFR is equal to number of live births in a specific age group. That is, in the first one, 1392 divided by total number of women in that specific age group. That is 58,000 into 1,000. Got it? Same way for the next one, 9,000 divided by 60,000 into 1,000. 11,928 divided by 56,000 into 1,000. 6,490 divided by 55,000 into 1,000. 1,650 divided by 50,000 into 1,000. Next, 572 divided by 44,000 into 1,000. 60 divided by 40,000 into 1,000. And see, now it's like 1392 divided by 58,000 into 1,000. Total is 24. Same with the next one is 150, 213, 118, 33, 13 and 1.5. That's it. So we are done with the solution. So this is how ASFR is calculated. That is age specific, it is mentioned, no? So for every specific age group we are calculating separately. Got it? So the next one is total fertility rate. So this is just a continuation of the previous one. It is age specific fertility rate. Here the formula is total fertility rate is equal to 5 into quinquennial ASFR. Quinquennial ASFR. ASFR is age specific fertility rate. So instead of going for the new problem, what I am doing is I am just continuing with the previous problem. Calculate ASFR and now let me add and TFR. Okay, so only after calculating ASFR we can calculate TFR, that is total fertility rate. So first, as we have already seen, let's calculate ASFR. So ASFR is, we already calculated that, isn't it? So now the thing is, we just have to total everything. That is 24 plus 150 plus 213 plus 118 plus 33 plus 13 plus 1.5 and we get 552.5. So this is our total ASFR, isn't it? So ASFR we got. This is ASFR total. Got it? And now how to calculate TFR for this? TFR is equal to 5 into quinquennial ASFR. It is 552.5. So 552.5 into 5. That is 2,762.5 is our TFR. That is total fertility rate. So total fertility rate is just a continuation of ASFR, that is age specific fertility rate. So that's all about the fertility and under the different methods or measurements of calculating fertility. And crude birth rate, it is given here, crude birth rate, general birth rate, age specific birth rate, and last one is total fertility rate. And here in all the formulas, first thing is common. In two formulas, it is crude birth rate and general fertility rate, number of live births is common. And in the crude birth rate, we are taking the average population, but in case of general fertility rate, we are taking into consideration women only of childbearing age. And in the third one, age specific fertility rate, for a given specific specific age group, we are calculating the ASFR. And the last one is total fertility rate. It is just a continuation of ASFR. Okay, so with this, I am concluding with today's class, that is fertility. In the next class, we will be discussing about the reproduction rates. Okay, thank you.